Hey there, future millionaires. Ready to turn that piggy bank into a treasure chest? You know, the kind Scrooge McDuck swims in? Okay, maybe not that extreme, but you get the idea. Let's dive into the step-by-step plan to go from zero to hero in the investing world. We're talking transforming your finances faster than your ex's new relationship status on Facebook. It's time to ditch the ramen noodle budget and say hello to financial freedom. Get ready to boss up your bank account. Let's do this. Okay, let's be real for a second, fam. We all dream about being millionaires, right? Sipping mocktails on a beach, because let's be honest, real millionaires know those beach bars overcharge for cocktails. But how many of us are actually putting in the work? It's like wanting a six-pack but refusing to put down the pizza. You gotta hustle. This is your wake-up call, people. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. This ain't no fairy tale. But guess what? You got this. Listen up, Buttercup. You can't hit a target you can't see, right? Setting financial goals is like having a GPS for your money. You need to know where you're going, how long it'll take, and what detours to avoid. Want that fancy car? Write it down. Dream vacation? Make it a goal. Don't just wish for it, plan for it. Alright, I know what you're thinking. Saving and budgeting? Boring! But hold on, it's not about deprivation, it's about being financially savvy. Think of it like this. Every dollar you save is a soldier in your money-making army, fighting for your financial freedom. It's time to get strategic, people. We're talking spreadsheets, apps, and maybe even some tough love with your spending habits. Diversification, my niggas! It's not just a fancy word, it's your financial safety net. Think of it like a buffet. You wouldn't just eat one dish, would you? You want a little bit of everything to keep things interesting. Same goes for your investments. Stocks, bonds, real estate. Get yourself a taste of everything. Okay, get ready for some financial magic. Compound interest is like that friend who always has your back, quietly making you richer over time. It's like a snowball effect, but instead of snow, it's your money growing. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to multiply. It's like magic, but with less glitter and more dollar bills. And there you have it, folks, your step-by-step plan to hit that $1 million mark. Remember, it's not about how much you make, but how much you keep and grow. Subscribe to Finance Hub for more tips and tricks to make your money work for you. Ooh! What are you doing, step bro? Ooh.